Chico, baby, sit. Chico, sit. Stay.
Will we always
Stay.
stay this way?
Stay.
Wrapped
Come,
up in
baby.
a summer
Good boy.
day.
Good boy. Good
Try to
boy.
find
Let me
that
take you. Come
piece
here. Come
of
here.
time that lets me freeze you
This is
in
Chico, my
my
housemate's dog.
way.
And he's so cute.
Don't want us to change.
Chico, say hi.
Don't want us to
Say hi.
slip away.
He's so cute.
I'm trying to say.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another vlog. I'm Surag here, and today I'm gonna give you a tour of my house here in the suburb Noble Park in Melbourne, Australia. And I've been living in this suburb for the last 6 months. The first time when I moved to the suburb, it was a completely new experience because it's entirely different from the city life. You definitely need to have a car to move around. In some areas in the CBD or some suburbs, you don't get to park in the street. There are some hourly restrictions, so you need to change your car every now and then. If you don't have that problem here, you can actually park anytime, anywhere for unlimited hours. Well, before we get started with the house tour, let me quickly take you to the Noble Park suburb. Guys, this is the train stop here, the train station. In my neighborhood, which is Noble Park's train station, and we got a small park, and it's actually pretty good in the evening, but it's really sunny right now. So now I'm going to show you the shops around this area. Noble Park is a suburb which is mainly of Middle Eastern and Vietnamese people, and here's the Australian post office here. A couple of shops where you can eat. There's a pizza place, that's a Vietnamese takeaway place. That's the Indian supermarket. Oh, there's a Singh Bros Groceries. They have recently opened this bubble tea shop here, which is Meequo. Got some bangs and also beer, alcohol shop. We got a Noble Park Fruit Mart. So this suburb is like almost 40 minutes from the city center, Melbourne CBD, Flinders Station. So if you take a train which directly goes to Flinders, like 40 minutes from here. And this is the Coles where I buy the groceries from. There's a skating park as well. Some people are skating over there. So that's Alex, our housemate.
Hey,
Hi.
hello, Ryan.
Hello. Chico, it's me. You don't remember? Pee-pee. That's actually Mark. This is my second housemate.
Hello.
What is that?
Just chicken.
So when we cook something, Chico will be so curious and alert. Like he wants to know what we're cooking. I just made this ready-to-eat bowl. Wow, it's very hot. No.
You can do that? Wow.
So this is our small backyard here. We got since we got Chico, it's completely Chico friendly. There's a small house for Chico. That's his toys, and this is for rainwater storage. And Mark is actually watering the plants now. Baby, come, Chico. Oh. Bye bye. Bye guys. As you enter, that's how we get into the house. That's my room. Bed, we got a bedside table up here, and that's my table with a big monitor that I used to connect my Mac using the cable. The great benefit of this room is one side of the wall is completely for wardrobe, so it's actually sliding, and it comes with this pre-fitted cloth hangers, and there's a storage box up here. And if I open this one, you can see my luggage, because I'm actually started packing to move, and that's my certificate hang. We got 2 bedrooms up there. I'll take you there. We got a lot of picture frames hanging on the wall, and there's the shoe rack. That's my washroom. So this is the living room. So we got Netflix going on there. and that's the dining table, and that's the kitchen. I used to store all my frozen food up here, but now if I go to the garage here, it's pretty cramped, but yeah. And this is my fridge, because actually I got the entire fridge myself. It was actually packed with frozen food. That's how when it looks from outside. So we got our washing. That's the washing and that's the drying. I prefer having a dryer. That's really convenient. That's the washing detergents and all those stuff. Yeah, that's how we do our laundry. We got a small office space here. There's a bathroom here, which has a bathtub. Chico, we actually use him to give him a shower. We just put him in this bathtub and give him a shower. We got one bedroom there and another bedroom. We got 2 bedrooms, 2 people staying there, 2 bathrooms. My bedroom is right down there. Good boy, good boy. Oh, the house is very lovely, and oh, Chico. When I moved in, I was having a financial problem, and they actually made the rent to $920 per month, $920. And then for the first 4 months, the agreement was like that. And then last 2 months, it was $1,000 per month, includes bill. That's it, guys. So if you really loved this video, please subscribe to my channel. So many videos are coming up soon. And also give it a thumbs up if you like it. See ya. Bye, Chico. Say bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.